Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari. If you're watching this video, you're probably curious about Rumble and whether it's a legitimate platform for earning money through video uploads. So let's dive into it and discuss if it's worth your time and effort. And guys, by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred way to make money online, around $5,000 to $10,000 from comfort of your home, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description. And also stick to this video till the end. Why? Because I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Just imagine if an ordinary Indian person like me who can create systems worth thousands of dollars and make money online, why can't you do the same? Now, let's explore Rumble. Rumble is essentially a competitor to YouTube, offering a similar platform for uploading and sharing videos. You can find some big names like Barstool Sports, Nitro Circus, and UFC on Rumble, showing that it's gaining traction. Getting started on Rumble is straightforward. You sign up, create a channel, and start uploading your videos. The key to making money on Rumble is by creating unique content that attracts viewers. Rumble displays ads on your videos and you earn revenue based on the number of views and ad impressions. While Rumble has a smaller user base compared to YouTube, about 80 million monthly active users compared to YouTube's 2.5 billion, it still offers potential for creators. The earning per 1,000 views on Rumble can range from $2 to $10, which is higher than YouTube's rates. However, since Rumble is newer and less competitive, it might be easier to get noticed and build an audience. One thing to note is that gaining views on Rumble can be challenging, especially for new or smaller creators. It takes time and consistency to grow your audience and start earning significant revenue. Additionally, while ad revenue is one way to make money on Rumble, you can also leverage the platform to drive traffic to income streams like affiliate offers or merchandise sales. Overall, Rumble presents an opportunity to creators to monetize their content, but it's essential to diversify and also consider platforms like YouTube. By uploading content to both platforms, you can maximize your reach and potential earnings. If you're interested in exploring Rumble or other ways to make money online, feel free to check out the platform and also explore different strategies. And just remember, success in video creation and online income typically requires dedication and consistency over time. There is a lot of time and effort to put in to create an online business. And guys, if you're seeking a comprehensive strategy to start earning money online, then check out my free masterclass link down below. And it offers insights into proven methods for generating income online, even for beginners. And as a promise, I would also like to give you a bonus. But before that, just imagine if an ordinary Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating these kinds of automated systems, as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? So as I promised in the courses section, you'll be coming across with a bundle of courses, and I'm about to give this complete bundle for absolutely free. These courses would be helping you out to start your own online business. And to gain access, you have to visit to the URL as you can see on the screen and click on join as a member and be a part of our community. And make a note, you only get access if you are a part of my community. And also, this access would be valid for the first 100 members who join my community. So please take action as the spots are filling very fast. There are 28 members already into my community. And once we reach the count of 100 members, we are going to release the programs. Okay, so take the chance, be the lucky person and be into our community to access this complete bundle. I hope you found this Rumble video helpful, and if you're newly watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notifications from mine. And also, it would be motivating me to create new content and you also get notified. Best of luck with your endeavors and see you in the next video review. Have a great day, bye bye and take care.